Hey guys, Sachin here. Welcome to my channel. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to use Getresponse and email marketing autoresponder for your affiliate marketing business, your internet marketing business, email marketing business, or as it. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a lot of different features which are there in Getresponse and why I choose Getresponse because I've been working in affiliate marketing business for the past 5 to 6 years. And in that time, I have tried a lot of autoresponders, my friend. And trust me, when it comes to make money online niche or affiliate marketing in business opportunity niche, then a lot of autoresponders are pretty much strict. Okay, so they don't like make money online niche. So if they see something phishing, something which is like a scammy subject line you use in your email marketing broadcast, they ban your account. So years of whatever list you have built in autoresponder is going to go in one flash. Okay, so and that is something which had happened with me. I had a list of 5,000 subscribers, permission based, and it my account got shut down within just one day. And that list was uh, giving me like $1,000 per month easily in 2017. And from that day, I was searching for a different autoresponder. I have tried a lot of big names. I can name it, but I don't want to spoil their reputation. But in my opinion, GetResponse is something that I can trust because I'm using this autoresponder for the last 2 years. And when it comes to make money on niche, this is an autoresponder who really cares about their customers. Okay, if they see something phishing, something scammy subject line that you're using, they give you a fair warning that, look man, this subject lines are looking pretty much scammy, please try to avoid it. Okay, and then basically you can avoid it because you don't want to mess with the email autoresponder, because that is the main machine through which your email goes to your subscribers, and that it what makes you money. Okay, so don't mess around with email autoresponder because it's going to be really hectic for you if you try to upload your list into a self-hosted autoresponder. Try to get a good reputation with your IP, and that is a big headache, my friend. Okay, so please bear in mind, always be good with your email autoresponder. So the GetResponse is my number one choice when it comes to affiliate marketing in make money online niche. Okay, so let's get started. Let's see how GetResponse actually works. So I'm going to be logging into my account over here. Okay, so I'm here inside my Getresponse account, and this is a separate account which I have just recently made up. And the one thing which is really great with Getresponse is you can have multiple email autoresponders with the same credit card or the billing information that you have. Just you have to use a different email address for each of your Getresponse account, and this is something which I love because I have uploaded my previous list, like 13,000 list, onto my another GetResponse account, and this is a fresh autoresponder account which I just have started using, which is great. So you can use multiple GetResponse account provided you use different email address and you can use the same card. Okay, that is a great feature. So when it comes to you can come over here, the dot over here, and you can click on this and you will have multiple features present over here. The first thing I want you to understand is they have a 24/7 chat support, which is phenomenal. Okay, you can just click on that icon of chat and you can chat to their customer executive. They are really smart, and they understand our problem. They do really care about your customers, our customer, my friend. Okay, so you can chat with the customer support 24/7. The first thing you need to do is go to this contacts. Okay, because you want to create a campaign first. Okay, when you create a campaign, in that campaign you need to add your email follow-up sequence, and then you can basically create an HTML code or a form, and then you can then basically connect it with your email marketing campaign. So I'm going to be showing you that thing. So the first thing, you go to contacts and click on create list. Now you can name whatever is your name list, or any you can name MMO make money online list like this one. whatever you want, and you can just use and create your list. Once your list is created, it's going to appear over here like this. Okay, the next thing that you need to do is I'm going to show you some important features which Getresponse have. Is once you go to show all contacts, because these are the features which I think a lot of people don't know. Okay, so I'm going to be showing that feature. If you find some people on your list are less active, that means they are not opening your emails, how to find out those people and how to delete them from your Getresponse account. This is the way you can do it. Okay, so you can go to advanced search. You can come to contacts. You can go to advanced search. Then you can basically select the list in which you think you want to delete some subscribers, or you want to find out those people who are not opening your emails. Then you need to click on add condition, select the category, select contact actions, message open, message not open. That is what you should be selecting. Then come to select any message or any autoresponder message, newsletter message, whatever you want to check. I would select any message, and then you would select the time frame that you want to check it out. If never you want to see those subscribers who have never ever opened your email, you can click over here. Or you want to select through the date, from which date, let's say past 6 months or maybe past 3 months, you want to check those people who are not opening your emails, you can do that. For this example, I'm going to be selecting never, and you can click on apply. So the list of those people that would appear over here who have never ever opened your email. Okay, and I would highly recommend you to delete those people every 6 months. You can check it after every 6 months. Check those people who have never ever opened your email in the last 6 months and delete them, because they are just taking the space in your autoresponder. They are costing you. It's not going to be any meaningful for you. All right, so delete them, and you can bring in some fresh subscribers to the list. Okay, similarly, if you want to find out those people who are not in tier 1 countries, that means some people are from Bangladesh, some people are from Asia, any country, Indonesia, Pakistan, India. If you don't want people from those countries, then how you can find out that thing is you want to select the list, then you want to click on add condition, you want to click on select a category, and you can select geolocation. You want to select a country, and you can basically name the country. Okay, so in this case, let's see, if you don't want people from India, I hope you don't do this, but because I'm an Indian and I'm proud to be an Indian, and you can type in the country's name and you can click on apply, and you will find all the people who are there from that country. And if you want to delete from, let's say, Bangladesh, I do it regularly because I don't want people from non-tier countries onto my list. So if somebody is opting into my list and they're not buying from my email broadcasting for the past 1 month or 2 months, I simply delete them from my list if they're from tier 3 countries or tier 2 countries. Okay, that is the good way to do it. I just want people from tier 1 countries onto my list. This is a simple formula I use. Okay, so in this way you can find out, and then if you want to delete them, you can basically select them, click on action, delete from list, delete from account, whatever you want to do, you can select, and it's going to go off. Okay, so in this way you can do it. All right, now if you want to export your list, okay, if you want these leads on your desktop, then how you can do it, because if maybe by chance if you want to move from this autoresponder to another autoresponder, how you can do that. So for exporting, you want to go to this 3 dot, come over here, click on export, and then they're going to be asking any name you want to put up. Okay, select the export file, and I would also recommend CSV, and you want to click on export new file, and it will get exported. So for instance, if I do it, click on this, let's say it will take some time, and it is created within just few seconds. Okay, so it is created over here. You're gonna go to here, click on download, and it will download in this section. That's it. In this way you can export your leads. All right, now the next point. So the next one is landing pages, and here you can create landing pages for people to subscribe to your list. Okay, so you can go to this dot, you can click on this dots, and you can come to landing pages and click on this. You're going to be taken to this page. Okay, so here you can basically create landing pages for your business. I would recommend, if you have a website, please use your website, because the website title gives you more authority. Okay, because this domain name is kind of like a free domain, but I would highly recommend you to have your own website, and then on that website you can put in some software like InstaBuilder. Don't get ClickFunnels, it's too costly, but you can either way get InstaBuilder for like $5 to $10 from Fiverr.com. If you want, I will put a link to the in the description if you want. And they're authorized reseller on Fiverr, which would upload an InstaBuilder software onto your website where you can create landing pages. But if you don't want to have, if you don't want to, what do we say? If you don't want to have the website issue, then please, you can use this landing page. So you can click on this create landing page. Okay, and you can then select from a lot of different templates that Getresponse have, and then you can basically create landing pages over here. You can have a lot of different landing pages templates over here, and they're all free. Whatever business you are doing, you can select according to it. If you're in health and fitness, you can use this one, and then you can put in information about whatever product you are promoting, and then you can connect it to your email marketing campaign that we have created. Okay, this way. If you don't want to, if you just want to add an HTML form to your website, I'm going to be telling you that, because that is something which I always do. So you want to click on this dot, and you want to click on forms. Okay, that's going to take you to the form, and here you can basically create an HTML code. Okay, so you want to click on create form, and this is something I always do. So they also have some great templates over here also for you to check it out. For forms, if you don't want to, or if you don't have a website, you can use these guys forms, but the domain name which comes above then a website column looks pretty ugly. So that is why I always recommend that you use your own website, because that is something that gives you a more authority, my friend. All right, so it's getting time to load. I'm just gonna pause for a second. Okay, it has come over here. So you can see over here they've got good templates over here. If you want to use, you can use this kind of template, okay, for your business. This look great, simple and sober. Okay, and you can use this. I use plain HTML. All right, I'm going to click on plain HTML, and here I basically create the form code, the HTML code over here. I would select the list in which I want to add my subscribers. Then I would select the email follow-up sequence, add to the cycle. Then if I don't have a thank you page, meaning the people who after subscribing, what they would see. So the Getresponse have an normal default thank you page. So if you don't add custom thank you page URL, it's going to take them to the Getresponse normal thank you page URL. But if you want to add your own thank you page, you're going to click on this icon, and you can add your thank you page URL over here, and the form would appear over here. Once the form is complete, you can click on copy code, and then you're going to go to your website. You're going to go to InstaBuilder. I'm going to go to InstaBuilder. I'm going to click on this edit button. I'm going to be coming onto this quiz page over here, and in this section I would click on this one. It's gonna say ESP autoresponder integration, and in that I would select HTML Also, they have Getresponse so that you can directly connect it with Getresponse. Select the list like that. But for those who want to add HTML, you can just paste this code in this section and click on paste HTML. So everybody who clicks on this button, subscribe to this page, are gonna add to this list. Okay, this is how you can create form into the HTML. Now I gotta tell you, how you can create email follow-up sequence. You gotta hover over to here, three dot dots, and click on autoresponders. So now we're going to be discussing the main thing, which is email follow-up sequence, how you can add email follow-up sequence over here. Okay, so in this section, we're going to be designing an email, and this is the same process that is used to send out emails broadcast on a daily basis. Okay, so in this section, you would see that I already have email follow-up, and you can see my open rates are ridiculous. Okay, okay, they're absolutely beautiful. Okay, so I'm gonna click on create autoresponder. Okay, and then you can basically, this is the same procedure that you will use to send out email broadcast. Also, just in the difference is you are adding an email follow-up sequence, and there you are sending out emails. All right, name of the email, first email follow up. Okay, which list you want to link. This link 0 I would recommend, because this will tell you that whenever people subscribe to your list, at that moment it will go out. Okay, not the second day, not after a few hours. At that very moment it will go into their email inbox. Okay, same time as a sign up time. All right, your from email support email over here, subject line, whatever you want to use. Okay, and then you're going to click on design the message. Okay, in this section they have got some amazing new templates which I am using, and I think they are really awesome. Okay, so you should try this, my friend. Okay, you can use HTML editor, which is the old one, but they have got some beautiful templates over here which you can use for your email sending. Okay, they have got really good templates. So this is something which we would use. I'm going to click on use this template. All right, just give me a sec, it will load up, and then we can delete some section if we don't want. Okay, so in this section, if you don't want this one, you can hover over, you can delete this. Okay, you can hover over, you can delete this. Okay, so in this way you design whatever you want to, which is great for your email marketing business. Okay, if you don't want to put in your logo, no problem. So if you can delete this, and you can say, hello, I am Sachin here. All right, so if you want to color it, you can highlight it and make it a bit colorful. Okay, if you want to, let's say if you don't want this one, let me do it for you again. If you want to increase the size of the font, you can do it. If you want to place it on the sideline, you can do it. Okay, and in this section you can basically delete this, and you can use whatever content you have for your email follow. All right, so in this section, if you want, I would just use the same content for you. Okay, and we're going to be doing it again 20. Okay, and here you can put in your affiliate link. Okay, tap to save. You can change over here if you want. Click here for instant access. That's it, and here you can put in your affiliate link. Okay, that's it. You can change the color. If you don't want red, you can click over here and you can basically take my face over here. You can change it to blue. If you want, you can change it to green. If you want it, you can keep it as red. All right, that's it. Okay, so once done, then we're going to be deleting this so that it looks a bit nice. All right, great. So once done, test and preview it. We're going to click on spam check. So we have to check it before we send any emails, and it is good to go. All right, you can send a test to your Gmail. All right, and we would see it into our email. And here we go. The test email has arrived into our inbox. Okay, so I'm going to click on this, and you can see over here it looks really great. Okay, something different, something unique that is looking great. If I click on this, it's going to take me to whatever offer I'm promoting. Okay, so in this way you would add email follow-up sequence. So how do you add to the sequence? That is what we're going to be looking right now. This is the offer I'm promoting. Okay, so now we're going to be clicking on next. Okay, we're going to be clicking on next, and then it's going to ask for everything which is already set up. Subject line, you can choose whatever you want. If you want the email personalization, thank you, whatever email that person is, you can select this one and you can put in thank you blah 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 email. Okay, hover over here, choose option, click on this and select email. If you have got the subscriber's name, you can use the name also, the name. All right, name, last name, whatever you prefer. Okay, so this would be more like a personalization ad which gets a lot of high open rates. All right, so we're good to go. And once we click on save and publish, it's going to add to email follow-up sequence. So this is the way you have to add your email follow-up sequence. I would recommend promoting the same offer for the first 7 days, 1 week, and then if you're not getting sales, then you can change the offer. All right, 1 email a day is great in my opinion. So in this way you can add your email follow-up sequence. And if you want to send out emails on daily basis, you can come to email marketing and newsletters, and you can create newsletters the same way which I have just revealed. In this case, if you want to use an HTML editor, the same section, the message name, I would do cartel, then Brendan Mace. I would write it because I want to know which offer I'm promoting in this email. Please open. Okay, this is a just subject line I would use. Copy it. I will put it the subject line over here. This is just an example I'm doing. Rest all the same. A link list. Recipient. You can add the recipient over here. All the list. Okay. Add. And means the email is going to go to every single list over here. Okay, and then click on design the message the same way which we have designed for the email follow-up sequence. Just the difference is in this case we are using just the HTML editor. You can use these templates as well, but I'm just going to show you what are the benefits of HTML editor. It's old version where you can put HTML code. So if you don't know how to put the HTML code, I gotta show you. What I used to do is I go to blogger.com. You can type in blogger in Google, and this is a Google product. So you can click on this, sign in, and when you sign in, you're gonna be coming to this page. Click on new post, and you're gonna come over here. So in this case, you would enter hello Sachin here, blah 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 blah, and thanks, your email content, searching, that's it. So this is the content. And if we want to add some link over here, you can highlight it and insert the link over here, whatever link you want to put it over here. And if you want that link to open into a different tab of on the subscribers email inbox, you can select this one. Either way, if you don't want, if you just leave it blank. Okay, so in this case, you can design over here, font type Arial, size I always choose large. Okay, so it looks really better. And then what you do is you can basically come over here and you can come to HTML view. Okay, so highlight this, copy this, and then come over here and paste this. That's it. That is what I used to do. Okay, because if you do, and then click on preview, so it will show you how this email would look. Okay, and then you want to click on the next, which is over here below. Next, same procedure. Okay, you can send immediately or you can schedule for later. So if you want, I want this email to go tomorrow, that is 17th at 6:10 p.m. Indian Standard Time. You can select over here and then click on schedule, so the email is going to go on to that time. So in this way you can use multiple different features and Getresponse. I hope I have covered. Oh, one last thing I want to cover, that is email integration, which is really important. A lot of people don't know how to use this API integration feature, which is phenomenal. And this is only feature which is given by, I guess, Getresponse and Sendlane. Let me show you how you can use it. Okay, so once you click on this integration API, this one, you're going to be landed onto this page. So what you want to do is you're going to click on API, and what this feature does is when you promote a JVZoo affiliate link, those people who buy through that affiliate link would get added into your buyers list or whatever list you have created in Getresponse. Okay, this is a great feature because then you can basically get real email addresses of those people who have bought your product through your affiliate link, or if you have promoted any other product of different vendor and he has clicked your link and it's going to add to your email autoresponder. Let me show you how you can do it. Okay, so you can click on generate API. You can name this JVZoo, okay, and click on generate API. So this is what has created. I'm going to click on copy, and then we're going to be going to jvzoo.com, and in this is a random product which I have just selected. I have approved for this one. Okay, now what you want to do is get links would give you the link over here of that particular product. Then you're going to click on integration, and in this feature it will tell you Getresponse. So I'm going to paste that API key over here. Okay, and I'm gonna save it. All right, so what it's going to do is whenever I promote this product, Getresponse, it will look over here, ask me which list you want me to add. These are the three lists which I have already on my Getresponse account, and it will ask me which list I want to add this particular subscriber. Okay, so I want to click on buyers list and I will click on save. So what would happen is whenever somebody go through this affiliate link, buy a certain product, even if he has not opted into my list, I would still get that subscriber added into my buyers list, and he is a premium quality buyer. So this is a feature which Getresponse and Sendlane Responder does, which is something you should apply. Okay, I've got a big bias list through this method, but I used to do YouTube review videos because I used to just put the affiliate link over here in the description and people used to buy it, and then that real email address of that buyer used to get added into my bias list. So apply this strategy also. All right, so this was it. This was about the Getresponse tutorials. I don't know I have left out anything. which is more important. Okay, so if you have any questions about Getresponse, you can let me know in the comment section. Either way, I'm gonna be putting an Getresponse 30-day free trial for you to check it out, to try it. You don't need a credit card for it, but if you like it in 30 days, then it's going to be charged after 30 days. So for 30 days, you're going to be getting Getresponse absolutely free. You can click the link below this video and you can try it out, Getresponse. If you like it, you can keep it. All right, and let me know how you like this video. If you like it, you can click the like button. If you didn't like it, just click the dislike button. But let me know what you didn't like so that I can improve myself in my next video, my friend. Okay, till the next time, have a great day, my friend. Bye bye.